Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel motorvibe_110. It's back. The name that once reigned supreme on the boulevards of America. The name that whispered elegance, opulence, and prestige, DeVille. For 2026, Cadillac isn't just revisiting the past. It's redefining the very essence of American luxury with a machine that doesn't just move, it commands attention, presence, and reverence. This is not just a car. This is the resurrection of a legacy. The 2026 Cadillac DeVille isn't a reboot. It's a revolution. The moment you lay eyes on the new DeVille, time seems to pause. The silhouette is unmistakably Cadillac. Long, low, broad, but every curve, every line has been sharpened by modern precision. A seamless fusion of timeless grace and cutting-edge aggression. The front grille stretches proudly, bordered by piercing vertical LED lighting that cascades like waterfalls. The Cadillac crest, illuminated and floating in the center, signals something rare, something noble. This is not a vehicle made to blend in. It was designed to own the street. As you walk the length of its sculpted frame, you feel the presence of almost 18 feet of uncompromised stature. Its proportions are bold, assertive, yet balanced, resting confidently on turbine-style 22-inch wheels with brushed aluminum accents and deep gloss black insets. The DeVille's rear is a masterstroke of design, a sweeping tail that flows into a sculpted trunk, with vertical taillights that echo its ancestry but execute in hypermodern LED fashion. Dual trapezoidal exhausts integrate seamlessly, giving a subtle nod to its raw power. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary sculpted in sophistication. Open the door and you're greeted with a silent swish as frameless doors unveil an interior that doesn't just look luxurious, it feels like an invitation to another dimension. The seats are wrapped in ultra-soft semi-aniline leather, stitched in diamond crosshatch, heated, cooled, and massaging naturally. A blend of real open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and hand-finished crystal glass trim dances in harmony under ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The cockpit is a masterpiece. Cadillac's next-gen 48-inch curved OLED display stretches seamlessly across the dash, integrating everything from navigation to entertainment to performance telemetry. Every touch is fluid, every swipe immediate. The Cadillac knows luxury isn't just about tech, it's about tactility. Every switch, knob, and control has been meticulously crafted for a sense of gravitas. Even the climate vents glide open with a whisper, automatically sensing where you're seated and adjusting airflow accordingly. Under the hood, the DeVille isn't playing games. Cadillac's engineers have planted a beast beneath its graceful lines. A twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 pushing out 600 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic with electronic precision and optional all-wheel drive, this isn't just a cruiser, it's a muscle-bound missile dressed in a tuxedo. And yet, it glides with grace. Thanks to an adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control, the DeVille adjusts in real time to road conditions, delivering a ride that feels like silk floating above asphalt. Hit the accelerator, and the DeVille roars, not obnoxiously, but with the controlled fury of something that knows its power and doesn't need to shout to prove it. 0 to 60. Just under 4 seconds. And that's not even the most impressive part. What sets the DeVille apart is how it delivers that power. Smooth, confident, regal, like a ballroom dancer with the soul of a boxer. Cadillac didn't stop at performance. The 2026 DeVille is packed with cutting-edge technology that doesn't just impress, it anticipates your every need. Super Cruise, Cadillac's semi-autonomous driving system, has evolved into Ultra Cruise, now capable of hands-free driving on over 2 million miles of mapped road, with automatic lane change, exit maneuvering, and even self-parking in tight urban settings. Your commute transforms into a moment of serenity and control, all without lifting a finger. Voice control has also taken a leap forward. Simply say, "Hello DeVille," and the car springs to attention. Adjust the lighting, climate, music, or navigation without touching a thing. The natural language AI understands your intent and acts with accuracy and intuition. Need to relax? Say, "Take me somewhere peaceful," and the DeVille suggests a scenic route, lowers the lighting, activates a spa fragrance diffuser, and cues up a calming playlist. And let's talk sound. The audio system isn't just premium, it's audiophile grade. A custom-engineered 36-speaker AKG studio reference system wraps the cabin in 360 degrees of crystal clear, immersive sound. Every note, every whisper, every beat resonates with perfect clarity. You're not listening to music, you're in the music. The seats themselves include resonators that sync with the audio, delivering a full-body experience that rivals high-end concert halls. In the back, passengers are treated like royalty. Executive seating with reclining capabilities, deployable footrests, dual personal entertainment screens, and a center console that features refrigerated cup holders, wireless charging pads, and even a touchscreen command center. This is a rolling penthouse. And it moves with the authority of a private jet. But perhaps the most remarkable feature of the 2026 DeVille is how it makes you feel. This isn't about horsepower or tech specs or leather braids. It's about presence. About the way people look when you arrive. The DeVille doesn't demand attention, it attracts it. At valet stands, heads turn. At stoplights, smartphones come out. And behind the wheel, you don't just feel like a driver. You feel like an icon. Cadillac has infused this vehicle with something intangible. Call it soul, call it magic, call it Americana reborn. The DeVille embodies the dream of American luxury, big, bold, unapologetic, but now with the refinement and intelligence of a world-class machine. It bridges generations. For the seasoned executive, it whispers of a time when luxury meant size and status. For the young entrepreneur, it shouts innovation, flair, and prestige. It doesn't choose a demographic. It chooses the distinguished. Safety is, of course, paramount. The DeVille comes equipped with a suite of sensors, radars, and cameras that create a digital shield around the vehicle. Pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree vision, night vision, intersection collision avoidance, it's all here, and more. It doesn't just react, it predicts, it calculates, it protects. Efficiency isn't forgotten either. The engine employs cylinder deactivation, hybrid assist, and intelligent start-stop systems that maximize fuel economy without compromising performance. There's even a plug-in hybrid variant in development, promising over 50 miles of all-electric range for those who want silent luxury with zero emissions. Customization takes center stage. Buyers can select from an endless palette of hand-sprayed exterior colors, choose from 8 interior themes ranging from Manhattan Noir to Napa Coastline, and even request bespoke embroidery, personalized badging, and exclusive materials. This isn't just a car, it's your statement to the world, built exactly as you envision it. And Cadillac is offering an ownership experience that matches the car's grandeur. Concierge service comes standard. Need maintenance? Cadillac comes to you. Want to plan a road trip? Your concierge maps it out, books your hotels, and prepares the vehicle. It's not just ownership, it's membership in an exclusive club. There's something deeply emotional about sitting in a DeVille. Something about the soft purr of the engine, the gentle illumination of the cabin, the way the road disappears beneath you in quiet confidence. It takes you back while pushing you forward. It lets you dream without forgetting where you came from. And that's exactly what Cadillac has captured here. The past, present, and future of luxury, all rolling forward in one magnificent statement of arrival. From Detroit to Dubai, from Wall Street to Rodeo Drive, the DeVille has returned not just as a car, but as a cultural symbol. A symbol of American excellence. A symbol of craftsmanship, of elegance, of power refined by purpose. In a world crowded with imitators, the DeVille reclaims its crown by simply being what it always was, the original. And yet, it's more than a nod to heritage. It's a blueprint for what luxury should be in a new era, thoughtful, expressive, and deeply personal. The 2026 Cadillac DeVille isn't just Cadillac's flagship. It's America's flagship. And it's here to remind the world that when it comes to luxury, America still knows how to lead. You sit behind the wheel and everything feels right. Your hands on that leather-wrapped steering wheel. The horizon stretching out ahead of you. The DeVille doesn't beg for roads, it commands them. Every mile in this car is a reminder of how far we've come. Of what we've learned. Of what we dare to dream again. The legacy is not just alive, it's thriving, reborn, and roaring forward. This isn't just the return of a nameplate. It's the rebirth of an era. The 2026 Cadillac DeVille has arrived. And it brought the crown with it. Thanks for watching and see you my next video.